How to fix alarm no sound in Motorola Edge 70. First of all, allow alarm. Open app screen. Now in app screen, click on clock. Now here you see alarm. Now turn on this button. After turning on this button, allow alarm from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear app data and cache. Open setting. Scroll down, click on apps. Click on clock. Scroll down, click on storage and cache. Now here you will see clear cache and clear storage, and if you want to clear cache then click on clear cache, and if you want to clear storage then click on clear storage and click on delete. After click on delete, this app data included files and setting will be permanently deleted from this device. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on system update, scroll down, click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix alarm no sound in Motorola Edge 70. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.